Hello to our great customers in Cote d'Ivoire. I'm Arthur from China Jetpass Logistics, and I want to introduce you to our airline from China to Cote d'Ivoire. We've been working with Africans for a very long time, and we know the difficulties in exchange rates and all that. So we try our best to bring out our rates and make it faster for our customers in Cote d'Ivoire. Our shipping from China to Cote d'Ivoire takes just 5 days. You get your goods, and we've been in this business for a very long time to know how to satisfy our customers. We work with the best airlines that will deliver your goods fast and safe. And then about our shipping line, we've been working with the best shipping lines for a very long time, like Costco, MSK, HPL. These are the people that you can trust with goods. You can send goods and receive them intact, just like you sent them. And our shipping takes just 45 days max. Within 45 days, you must get a text message from our office there in Abidjan in Ivory Coast to pick up your goods. You just go to our office and make payments and take your goods. We don't ask for payments before shipment, so every payment you make is there in our office when you're seeing your goods. And thank you for always working with JetPass. To the new customers, you're welcome. We'll give you the best services you can ever get from China to Ivory Coast. And thank you very much. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to always get updates and download our app for more information. Thank you very much.